Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something super refreshing, spicy and sour kelp nuts. Just look at this dish. Glossy, vibrant, and full of flavor. It's tangy, a little spicy, and so refreshing. Honestly, this is one of those cold dishes that instantly wakes up your taste buds. I got these kelp nuts straight from the supermarket, but if you can't find them, no worries. You can just cut strips of kelp and tie them into little knots yourself. We will also need some chopped chili peppers, a few slices of garlic, and some fresh cilantro. Alright, let's get cooking! First, drop the kelp nuts into cold water with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then boil them for about 5 minutes. Once they are done, take them out and rinse with fresh water. Now let's make the dressing. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons of chili oil, and 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil. Then add in the chopped chili, garlic slices, and cilantro. Mix everything together until it smells amazing. Next, toss in the kelp nuts and coat them really well. Once they are covered, just let them sit in that sauce for about 4 hours. If you like the extra freshen, pop it in the fridge. Trust me, in the middle of summer, this dish straight out of the fridge is unbeatable. Look at this. All the kelp nuts sitting beautifully on the plate. See? They are bite-sized. 1 knot per bite. Alright, time for a test. Wow, the kelp is crisp and tender at the same time. And after soaking for hours, it's fully infused with that spicy sour kick. Even the cilantro stems and the garlic slices are delicious after marinating. You've got to try this one at home. It's simple, refreshing, and absolutely addictive. Thanks for watching. See you next time.